Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we will learn 87 action verbs in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Movement and body actions verbs. Jump. Jump over the fence. Run. Run in the park. Walk. Walk to school. Climb. Climb a tree. Climb the stairs. Crawl. Crawl on the floor. Sprint. Sprint to the finish line. Sprint is to run as fast as you can for a short time. It means running at full speed. Skip. Skip rope. Hop. Hop on one foot. Jog. Jog around the track. Stroll. Stroll in the park. Stroll is to walk slowly and relax. You walk without rushing, just to enjoy yourself. Gallop. Gallop like a horse. Gallop is to run very fast like a horse. It can also describe people moving quickly. Prance. Prance proudly. Prance is to walk or move proudly or happily. You move in an energetic or showy way. March. March in a parade. March is to walk with strong, regular steps. It's used for soldiers or people walking together in order. Slide. Slide on the ice. Slide is to move smoothly over a surface. Skate. Skate on ice. Skate is to move on skates or a skateboard. You slide smoothly over ice or the ground. Glide. Glide smoothly. Glide is to move gently and smoothly without effort. It's like a dancer or bird moving softly through the air. Pedal. Pedal a bike. Pedal is to push the pedals of a bicycle with your feet. You use your legs to make the bike move. Ride. Ride a horse. Ride is to sit on and control something that moves. You can ride a horse, a bike, or even a motorbike. Dance. Dance gracefully. Dance at a party. Spin. Spin around. Twirl. Twirl a dress. Pivot. Pivot on one foot. Pivot is to turn or rotate your body around one fixed point. You keep one foot still while the rest of your body turns. Twist. Twist your body. Twist is to turn something around or bend your body sharply, used when you rotate or move in a circular motion. Stretch. Stretch your arms. Bend. Bend down. Bend is to move your body or part of it so it's not straight, used when you lower yourself or curve your body forward. Flex. Flex your arms. Flex is to tighten or contract your muscles. Used when you show strength or make your muscles firm. Extend. Extend your hand. Extend is to stretch or reach out part of your body. Use when you make your arm or leg longer to reach or offer something. Hug. Hug a friend. Kiss. Kiss on the cheek. Wave. Wave goodbye. Clap. Clap your hands. Clasp. Clasp your hands. Clasp is to hold something tightly in your hands. Clasp a necklace. You can also fasten or close something, like a necklace. Sports and power verbs. Punch. Punch the bag. Strike. Strike the ball. Kick. Kick the ball. Tackle. Tackle an opponent. Tackle is to try to stop or deal with something in sports. You stop an opponent. Throw. Throw the ball. Catch. Catch a ball. Pitch. Pitch a tent. Pitch a ball. Hit. Hit the ball. Swing. Swing the bat. Lift. Lift weights. Dive. Dive into the water. Swim. Swim fast. Smack. Smack the ball. Object action verbs. Turn. Turn the page. Carry. Carry a bag. Push. Push the cart. Pull. Pull the rope. Drag. Drag a suitcase. Haul. Haul the load. Pack. Pack clothes. Unpack. Unpack a suitcase. Drop. Drop a ball. Pick. Pick flowers. Tie. Tie your shoes. And tie. And tie shoes. Button. Button a shirt. Zip. Zip a jacket. Unzip. Unzip the bag. Snap. Snap your fingers. Buckle. Buckle a belt. Buckle is to fasten something using a buckle. Used when you close or secure straps, belts, or seat belts. Rotate. Rotate the wheel. Rotate is to turn something around in a circle. You move it around a central point or axis. Cooking and kitchen action verbs. Scoop. Scoop ice cream. Pour. Pour water. Stir. Stir the soup. Mix. Mix ingredients. Chop. Chop onions. Slide. Slice bread. Dice. Dice tomatoes. Carve. Carve a pumpkin. Carve is to cut and shape something carefully with a knife or tool. You remove small pieces to make a design or form. Shape. Shape the dough. Grind. Grind coffee. Grind is to crush something into very small pieces or powder. You usually do it using a machine or by rubbing it hard. Pound. Pound meat. Crush. Crush ice. Crush is to press or squeeze something very hard. You break it into small pieces or make it flat. Cut. Cut vegetables. Cleaning and daily routine verbs. Rub. Rub your eyes. Scrub. Scrub dishes. Wipe. Wipe the table. Polish. Polish shoes. Dust. Dust the shelf. Clean. Clean the room. Brush. Brush your teeth. Comb. Comb your hair. Trim. Trim the hedge. Shave. Shave your face. Style. Style clothes. '87 action verbs. Great job, everyone! You've just learned many common action verbs in English. Try to practice them every day to speak English more fluently. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.